Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum dipped yesterday in the A wave probably that I labeled. You might remember in the last video I highlighted to you that soon, if this is the white wave count here and we are already in a B wave pullback, soon that B wave bounce might occur. Could be occurring now, could be unfolding right now, and then one more low in wave C would be ideal to complete this pullback. Let me explain the structure again. We are dealing with a scenario in which, first of all, we need to understand there is there is a bearish count, which is the yellow scenario, short-term bearish. In this scenario, the price would break below the trend line, break below Fibonacci support, which is between 2,250 and 2,474. And probably test the 1800 level. In this scenario, however, we would need to see a 5-wave move down at some point. If we don't get 5 waves down, then this cannot be clearly confirmed and a break below support. So the yellow count where a B wave might have topped is valid. Yeah? So the price action keeps this count valid, but there is no clear confirmation for it because we haven't got any 5-wave move down from the top. That's also why I highlighted to you yesterday that until we get at least a break below this last swing low at 2,529, there isn't really a confirmation for, even for a top in the white count. Technically, what's happening here could all be part of a still unfolding move to the upside that actually started here on the 16th of September. So it might all be, this might even be an extension in 5 if we go higher. So to really confirm a top of sorts, and only then we can really, actually then it's really between the white count and the yellow one. But until we break below that last swing low, this could easily still extend higher more directly. And especially with a 3-wave move down, that yellow count, it's valid. It might even have topped, but there's no evidence for it, okay? So at the moment, the yellow count is valid, but it's just not confirmed yet. I cannot confirm it, which means the white count, which we've added a few days ago to the chart, no, we had that on the chart already weeks ago, many weeks ago, but the microstructure that's unfolding in this third wave, and the third wave should get to 3,300 plus. That microstructure, I've added an A wave top possibly, but even here, we're talking about we can't really confirm that top until we break below 2,529. That is like our signal level, the last swing low. However, it's possible, because it is still quite a decent pullback we've had yesterday, that this was a low of wave A in B, which is plausible because it's a 3-wave move down. So it generally keeps, I'd say more upside is likely, either directly or after a bounce into support. So there is no confirmation we are more bearish at the moment, okay? Or we should be more bearish. Let's say there's no signal that tells us that we should be more bearish because it's a 3-wave pullback. And this pullback here could have been wave A. We might now be working on B, which can technically overshoot a little bit, and then wave C down. To make it very easy, we could just say as long as we're holding above 2,253, we're watching for higher prices. And there's no reason at the moment to confirm something more bearish, even though of course the yellow count highlights the risk of a drop down to 1800, but that would require further evidence. So I'm watching today for the nature, the structure of this bounce. If this bounce is corrective and ideally stays below the Monday high, then a C wave down is likely. If we take out the Monday high, then further upside extensions in a still unfolding B wave or A wave are likely before that pullback starts. But overall, and that's a very important message and key takeaway, due to the 3-wave pullback, higher prices are likely either directly or after a larger pullback. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.